Welcome back by the Drunken Barbecue, my friends. Today we're gonna make some kebabs. No, we did not invite the devil. We're gonna make them on this pitchfork. And why wouldn't we use a pitchfork? Just because nobody else does it? Well, we're gonna do it. And when you think I just pull this thing out of the chicken. And if you think I just pulled this pitchfork out of a pile with poop, then you're wrong. I prepped this thing so it's safe to use. Even though we prepped this pitchfork, it can't harm to just before you use it, hang it in the fire. We're gonna let our pitchfork cool down for a bit before we stab the meat on. So, fire is doing good. Meat is ready, pitchfork is cooling down. Time for a beer. We're gonna have a nice Guinness. Cheers, guys. Let the show begin. Well, there we go. Let this party begin. I have no clue what's going to pan out, but soon we shall find out. As there are many ways to make a burger, so there are many ways to make those skewers. I just took some ground beef, mixed up a whole heap of herbs, and I stick it in the skewer. So, I thought it would be a hand short, but by jamming it in the table, I kept both hands free to make this exotic skewer. Well, I don't know if I'm going to do it right or wrong. I'm just going to take a ball of meat and I'm just going to wrap it around one of the arms. Oh, hopefully it's not going to fall off. Oh, look at that. It's just like I know what I'm doing. No. Well, isn't it exciting? Skewers are ready. Let the real work begin. So, there we go. We'll let them roast away nice and slowly till they're done. Well, I don't know what to tell you guys, but this is going to be awesome. Cheers. Ay, 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 this is fantastic. Well, that looks pretty much done to me. We're going to rig up the A-frame, toast some bread, and then it's chow time. There we go! And as you know, bread toasts very fast, so don't walk away or scratch your prairie oysters, otherwise it's burned. So, and as sauce, I made some Lazy Man's aioli. Very easy. Mayo, garlic, pepper, salt, some lemon juice, and some olive oil. Mix it all well together. Beautiful. There we go. Ooh, starts to freeze up. Oh yeah, look at that. Who doesn't like any garlic looking sauce? Oh, hear that? Toasty! Garlic sauce is the best. Ta-da! And now, my friends, the star of the show, pitchfork meat. Ooh, yeah. Woo. Oh, look at that. That just slides off. Oh yes. Gonna put the top on. And now we have a gorgeous bun. I don't want to brag off, but I think this went really well. Anyhow, hey, I can see you through the other side of my sandwich. Anyhow, here we go. Oh yeah. It's actually quite good. Campfire food at its best. Ah. Who doesn't want a campfire meal, right? You don't need to be on holiday, you just make a fire in your backyard and off you go. Nothing that stops you. And if it's cold, just sit a bit closer to the fire. Oh. And they are waiting as well. I think because I still have one left. And that's it again for this week. If I can do it, you can do it. Nothing beats a campfire sandwich. Thanks for watching and see you next week. I'm busy for now.